Welcome back, guys, to another video with Everything Design. Today, we're diving into the world of secrets, and we've got something really special for you. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Coohom has hidden features that will take your design process to the next level. Let's explore the top 3 hidden features in Coohom Pro that every designer should know. Before we get started, I know that some of you might be new to this channel. So if you love design tips, inspiration, and tutorials, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on daily design doses. Now, let's dive into the magic of Coohom. Let me pour you the tea first before we drink it. We're highlighting 3 features that can supercharge your design game: VR tours that let you walk through your creations, custom modeling to bring your unique ideas to life, and the ability to remove and customize watermarks for that polished, professional finish. And I added an extra treat at the end, so stay tuned. First, let me show you my ride or die in all my design work. I use Coohom in all my projects, and you can check my previous videos. Even the intro to this video is made using Coohom. If you are a designer and you don't know Coohom, now is your chance. Coohom revolutionizes your design process with its powerful rendering features, extensive furniture library, and user-friendly interface. Imagine creating stunning, photorealistic designs effortlessly, impressing your clients, and saving countless hours. With Coohom, you can handle everything from floor plans to 3D visualizations all in one place. Instead of wasting money on multiple software, Coohom does everything for a fraction of the price, delivering superior quality and efficiency. I haven't used any other software for the last 2 years, simply because Coohom offers everything. The Elite plan takes it even further, offering advanced tools and features for professional results that set you apart from the competitions. Stay tuned for the upcoming video to learn more about the Elite plan. Ready to transform your projects? Use the code EVERYTHINGDESIGN to get a 72% discount and start your design journey with Coohom today. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Also, as a special thank you for your support, we will be selecting 2 subscribers to get a free 15-day trial to the Coohom Pro plan. So, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, tell us your favorite feature in Coohom, and stay tuned for more exciting content. Let's start with the first feature that you definitely need to have if you are an interior designer or an architect: unlimited 720-degree VR tours. Engage your clients with interactive and immersive presentations using Coohom's unlimited 720 degrees VR tours. These virtual reality tours allow clients to explore your designs from every angle, providing a sense of presence and interactivity that static images can't match. Whether you're showcasing a luxurious living room or a cutting-edge office space, VR tours create a memorable experience that sets you apart from the competition and leaves a lasting impression. You can also open the VR tour in your phone as shown here. You can share it with people and on socials. This witchcraft, as I call it, will bring your designs to life with a fully immersive experience. The 720-degree VR tour feature is available exclusively in the Pro plan. Get it now so that your clients can explore every corner of your creation as if they're right there inside it. Just like magic, this powerful tool offers an interactive, panoramic view that makes your designs more tangible and real. No more flat images. Your projects will stand out with a dynamic virtual walkthrough that engages and impresses. Upgrade to Coohom Pro today and let your clients experience the future of design visualization. Take your presentations to the next level with this incredible feature. Our next Pro feature is custom modeling. Ever wish you could create that perfect piece of furniture or decor element that exists only in your imagination? Well, guess what? Now you can. With Coohom's custom modeling tool available only in the Pro and Elite plans, you're not just designing, you're inventing. Imagine sculpting every detail to fit your vision. No more settling for what's available. Need a sofa with that perfect curve or a chandelier that's just the right amount of dramatic? Done. Coohom gives you the freedom to bring your wildest ideas to life. Think of it like being the architect of your own design universe. And the best part? It's as easy as drag, drop, and tweak. Unlike other software, creating custom furniture or complicated designs can be frustrating. Just look at how complicated this looks. Feels like you need a PhD just to find the undo button. And here is that software that gives you a full-blown scavenger hunt every time you want to do something basic. Need a tool? Better pack a lunch, because you're diving into a maze of drop-downs, pop-ups, and tabs that could double as a treasure map. Look at this other software that's so simple it's almost primitive. It's like someone gave you crayons and said, "Here, draw your masterpiece." Sure, it's easy to use if you're building a birdhouse, but for anything more complex, you might as well grab a pen and paper, because this interface has about as much sophistication as a flip phone in 2024. And then there's Coohom. While other interfaces make you feel like you're stuck in a maze, Coohom is that breath of fresh air where everything just makes sense. No endless clutter, no missing tools, just pure, creative flow. Every tool you will ever need is in its perfect place, clear and clean. No distractions to create the perfect pieces. It's like stepping out of a dusty old library and into a sleek, modern studio where you can finally focus on what you love, designing. So, why limit your creativity? Dive into Coohom's custom modeling tool today and start creating the designs that only you can dream up. Your clients will be amazed, and you'll love the freedom to make your designs truly one of a kind. Third and last pro feature for today is the watermark removal and customization. Elevate your design presentations to a professional level with Coohom's customizable watermark feature. By adding your unique branding to every project, you ensure that your work stands out and is instantly recognizable. This feature not only protects your intellectual property, but also enhances your brand's visibility, making a strong impression on clients and stakeholders. Unlike other design software that often imposes watermarks on your projects even after you've paid for their premium plans, Coohom offers you the flexibility to completely remove or tailor the watermark according to your needs. This means you can present your designs without any distracting marks or limitations, giving you full control over your brand's presentation and maintaining a polished, professional appearance for every piece of work. Whether you're showcasing to clients or sharing within your team, Coohom ensures your work is seen exactly as you intend it to be, free from the constraints and inconsistencies of other tools. Let's add a bonus feature for you guys. In Coohom Pro Yearly Plan, you get to enjoy unlimited 4K renders and 10 8K renders every month, which is insane, because all the other software I've seen will charge you a crazy amount of money to get your picture to 4K, but with the yearly plan in Coohom, you get more than that. Check this out. Look at the amount of choices you have for the 360 panorama. I don't know any other software that combines such features like Coohom does. And check this out. Up to 32K resolution in panorama renders. That is impressive. And of course, you also get realistic video renders for your clients and social media content. What are you waiting for, guys? Get your hands on Coohom's Pro and Elite plans to unlock all the advanced features and premium tools you need to take your designs to the next level. Subscribe today and make the most out of your design projects. Plus, don't miss out on our special giveaway. 2 lucky subscribers will get a free 15-day pro trial. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and comment down your favorite feature in Coohom. Stay tuned for our future videos and see you next time.